Yo, it's your boy Boog, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you my Welcome Down Hitchhiker build. For the perks, I'm using Unrelenting for extra endurance, Wireframe to move through them gaps faster, and Fired Up just for them extra long chases. 26 into Savagery and 3 into Endurance because that Relenting perk already gives you endurance, so trust me. For this part of the build, I feel like the most important part of this is to make sure that you get bleed damage. Especially if you can't get to your traps fast enough, they're still taking damage as they're running away. So here's my skill tree as well. And in this video, I only played 2 maps. I only played Slaughterhouse and Gas Station. But the traps that I put down are very toxic, and they actually work. These traps are very toxic. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's jump into the video.
My favorite specialty. You ever just walked up on somebody in real life and just stabbed them?
Yeah.
They gonna make hella noise.
I mean,
Make noise. I'm waiting for that.
Oh, I forgot you got those
somebody
days.
with a pencil though. That's about it.
Excuse me?
What?
You stabbed somebody with a pencil.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
like
somebody
a
else.
bot.
It was fucking with me, man.
Put it, man. Just put a gate on. Put a lock on that damn gate, bro.
Go bone. What's?
Had to get my
Go
get
bone
back.
room. Once you get.
You got that shit back in blood.
I'm coming right now, boys. Don't run from me.
Should I put a trap on the bone room door?
Destiny.
A random
I mean,
You
trap.
can put it like right when they open it, you know?
I'm gonna go around the stairs. Nah, talking about.
Hitchhiker's crouched, dude. The screen go yellow.
What you mean?
Oh, I see you.
I see you.
I'm gonna put it right after the stairs. Where the fuse at?
Oh no, sorry.
Frankie's
This game is cheap.
Stack. If I was a victim in this
I'm
game,
gonna cut stuff down.
I think I'd like pick up the pin before that they hit and then run away.
Okay, I'm going to the basement.
No, you're not. It's too much area to cover up here.
Well, if they go up, motherfucker.
Oh. Hold up, I'm observing
Hey,
the
Leland.
area. The area.
I got
I'm
Leland
on-
trapped over here, right?
He's right here. Come here,
That might
nigga.
be Danny.
Come here, nigga. Come here, nigga.
Or person.
Get on him.
Oh, I'm out of stem.
You
Damn!
right.
It's open phone.
Take some bud. Take some bud. Take some bud.
Victim snare. Told you. Leave right here. Right here, Nyla. Come back your way. Take one. Victim snare. I think they got stuck on bone room. They did.
Yeah, they did. Open. They did go up on room.
Yeah.
Lock the door behind you.
Everybody gets
Let's cut these down right quick.
You can laugh now, and I'll end you quickly.
Where they at?
Cattle shoot. I'm act like I don't see her.
Victim snared again by the crack.
So where?
By that crack. Niggas out here giving up.
He inside there right now.
Where you at?
He was
Going out.
he was in there. He ran. Okay.
He going to bone room.
Yeah, I see him. Lock his door behind. I'm about to chase him. Hold on, brother. Chase him.
Victim snared again. Bro, that
He
trap
go
is.
back in that trap.
Bro, that trap is crazy, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And the door closed.
Well, I'm on
Hold on,
Connor
brother.
first.
Chase him.
Bro, that trap is OD, bro. I'm telling you, bro. That trap right there is OD.
Ah! He went past his barricade.
Oh, damn.
Hold on, brother. Chase him.
Going
Go ahead.
over.
Go ahead. Go through that crack. Go ahead. No, Connie. Go back to bone room. She's going back towards you, Jay. Like why?
Gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
I got her. Watch out. I'm trying to be nice, Connie. I really am. She wailing?
No.
Well,
Bro, this bitch got confidence. She's by the sliding door, bro. Oh, you don't. Oh, you don't know. This that run them down, Bill, little mama. This that run them down, Bill. You gonna run out of stem before I do. Promise. You gonna run out of stem before I do. I promise.
She
Look,
right now.
yeah, she been a whale.
She went in the middle.
Oh,
you gonna hang gingers around here?
And
GG's.
ninjas. Oh God.
Good for your dreams.
Right
Fuck
now.
that blood. Should I collect the blood? Nah. Jay got it.
What you trying to say?
I'm not
I'm
collecting blood,
coming.
Like I'm a slave to collect blood and shit? It's crazy.
Man, I'm putting a lock on the left gate battery. And then I'm gonna put one on fuse, and I'm gonna put one
So
somewhere
do you want me
random.
to put 2 on Jen then?
Oh, y'all not
Yeah,
over
2
here?
on gen, and then put one on
Where
container.
you guys at?
I'm gonna put one right in here, in this grass right here.
Oh, Sonny! Sonny, I have something I can propose to you.
A ring.
Gay?
I know you went the other way, but I'm cutting this up.
You're gay? I support.
What?
What?
That's what you just said.
Brother, you're gay? You're
Bro.
gay? Brother.
Bro. How about this? Both of y'all shut the
Brother.
fuck up. That pissed me off.
You said
Brother.
it.
Hold on, brother. Chase him. Y'all gonna have my skinny ass break these fucking doors, bitch. My scrawny
Brother,
ass.
you
Wait, they
okay?
whooped Grandpa Brady?
No.
Nope. They just want to run around in the basement.
Hey. Hey. Who the fuck is this?
Water.
Oh shit.
Little saggy ass.
Oh, what door are they going through? Shit, nothing open. Look, they ain't open nothing.
Probably
Now-
think
Hey,
I ain't put my lock
Yep.
on container bridge yet.
Oh my god. They're finna
I'm coming
speed
up, 'cause I'm
us.
not gonna keep on chasing. They
I
just
see
hide.
Leland.
Yeah, come on. Oh, what the? Okay, let's try this again. I'm trying
Come
to
here, little hoe.
chase him, but you know. Oh, hold
Hey, he
on.
just ran me over, cuz.
Damn, I saw you fall.
He going to the middle.
I ain't gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
Is any
You
of them
think I
coming
can
into the
see
house?
Now watch this. Go through my trap. Run through the grass. Trap. Dumbass. Beat that hoe. Beat that hoe. Beat that hoe. Beat that hoe. No. That's my kill move. That's my shit. That's my shit. That's my shit, nigga. That's my shit, nigga. Yeah.
That's my mine. Y'all figure it out.
That's my shit, nigga. Get the fuck out the way, Jay.
Figure it out so Grandpa get mad.
That's a great spot.
Bro, come here.
Hey,
right
just
here.
opened the battery.
She was crouched at the
That's all
fucking
right.
gate.
It's sunny.
That's where I'm going.
You get out of here.
Base. Speed number 2.
I don't know if he will or not. Now I ain't gonna lie. Fucking move this trap.
Speed.
Let's just. Hold on.
I'm gonna put it on battery now.
Hold on, brother. Chase him. You can stay back here, dude.
Well, I gotta stay down here.
Because. I gotta
Did
make
you
sure they
reset
don't
your
fight
trap
me.
that was over here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
In the grass,
come
yeah.
on now. They're
They
probably trying to
stabbed
go
the
confused for real.
chicken. Okay. I'm gonna
House?
Oh, look, I told you. Yeah, I'm coming. I told you I'm coming for y'all.
Let me see if you see. Let me know if y'all see Sunny, bro.
All right, they
These
going over
bones
there
is a
to a
moving.
storage.
They was just in here. Where they at? Maybe not. Maybe not.
I'm a honey bean dice. Yeah, whoa.
I ain't gonna lie. I think you ran past them. If you're in the basement, I'm pretty sure they were hiding right by the door. Yeah. Oh, they right. They both right here.
Both right where?
Sunny down there?
Yeah, I'm chasing.
Sunny?
Yes.
Alright, I'm leaving in.
Oh, I stalled. I'm terrible.
I'm on this nigga.
Sonny's upstairs.
I'm on him. I'm on him.
Get him. Oh, so special. Oh, you gonna drop down? Hold on. I know you didn't drop
Oh.
Where? Oh yeah.
Leland
I'm on
at the
my way.
gate.
Oh shit. Wait, I forgot about Leland.
Hold on.
I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was only them two.
Oh, I tried to force him to my trap.
Cooking basement.
I should chase him, huh? Hold on, brother. Chase him.
Brother.
Open this fucking door, nigga. You stupid. Come here, nigga. I hope now I cut all these barricades. He definitely did. I'm on your ass. Come here, nigga. It really sucks that I have to come for this. I know you sleepy soon. I know you ain't understand. Come here. It's okay. Slow down, bro.
I'm on the other side.
Dumbass
He can't go
nigga.
this way, Bug. He can't go this way. He just can't.
Ah, he punched me in my jaw.
You can't go that way, buddy.
You went through the crack?
Well,
Right here.
Go back that way. Sonny's in the back.
I know. I'm about to go.
Cut that bitch down, Alvin.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm slow as shit.
Cut that bitch down. Cut that bitch down. Oh, I'm gonna go in there?
Man, I'll leave him here. He ain't going nowhere.
Well,
Whoa, he bars me with the dope. Whoa, he's so smooth. Where you going?
What is wrong with you, bro?
you don't even know, bro.
Going, dude.
This nigga just said, well, he's so
Don't run from the
Get the
Lord.
fuck up. I'm on his ass too, yeah. Bro, like, he picked up a health bottle. Bro, I don't care about that damn bone scrap,
Come on,
nigga.
fight him. Fight. Oh, you're running.
I know he's low. I'm not losing this one. I'm gonna lie. Oh! Good night.
Say it again. I said, say it again, boy.
Where's Sonny at?
Dang, you choking, Grandpa. Watch out.
You ain't talking about someone choking Grandpa.
I think he.
This might be level 5 to be so real.
It is.
It's 5. It's 5. Hold on, brother. Chase him. Oh, you thought you ate.
Get it off. Try to get it off. Come on.
It always happens.
Did you win, Jay?
Where'd you scurry off to?
Of course, bitch.